Drew. Drew, come here. Come here, sweetie. Come here and lay down. Come here, sugar. Come here. Drew. Hi, baby. Is you doing okay? You gonna go lay down? Hmm? You wanna lay down? Hi, baby. Hi, Sophie. Hi, Sophie.
How is she?
She's really good.
Hi, Sophie.
Up to her old tricks.
Hi, Drew.
Learning Italian,
Come here, Drew.
I wanted to see her.
Come here, Drew.
Except she's out of town right now.
Oh, yeah? Where is she?
Paris. She left 2 days ago for her birthday.
So what's that?
Liver.
Ah, he's eating liver.
What's that?
So he's eating liver.
Should I keep giving it to him, or didn't they say?
Don't push it. I'd let him rest a little. That's our dog, Drew.